鹹意花腩煲，
椒鹽蝦。Everything we finished. Where are we going?
Terminal Sekinchan.
Turn inside Kampong Sentosa. Next time, you must study the map well in advance. Okay, shortly after the turn here, on your left, you will see a museum. Side A. Okay? Side A. Approaching Terminal Sekinchan. All passengers kindly put on your seatbelt. Wait for the sign to turn off before you alight this aircraft. What's the name of the airplane?
Coco.
You don't, after this stop, don't all become poor.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign.
I have a question. How did this majestic bird, this colossal aircraft, find its way here? It was under the veil of darkness they moved, an unexpected procession that turned heads and sparkled. Whisper, was it a missile? The imagination of the onlooker ran wild at the sight of the massive cylindrical shape. This attraction has not been open to the public. Further development and renovation are actively ongoing. I'm curious about another aspect of this intriguing cuckoo bird. What's the future plan for this aircraft? Is it destined to become a premium craft? For a closer look at the disassembled parts during transportation, check out the link in the description to Mr. Danny Archer YouTube recording.